Great. I guess the second exercise is very challenging. Let's practice again with another exercise. In exercise 3, please write a small piece of Python code to determine whether an integer is an even number or odd number. So please pause this video and write your code in pycharm and continue when you finish. Great! I guess you get a good answer for this exercise. Let's check it out what we are going to do. So let's try it out, the task. We need to decide whether or not the integer is an even number or odd number. So we are pretty sure that we need a if-else statement. So if the integer is an even number, we show the message, this is an even number. If the integer is an odd number, then we show the message, oh, this is an odd number. How can we make it? Let's check it out. So we first need to get the integer from the user. So we use the input function to get the user input. Please provide a number to check. Okay, now you get the input numbers and save it to the variable number. The important part, the challenging part, is to check the condition. We need to know whether or not this integer is even number or odd number. How can we know that? Now we can use the remainder function to help us to check whether or not this integer is an even number or odd number. If the number divided by 2 and the remainder is 0, we know it is an even number. And if the number divided by 2 and the remainder is equal to 1, which means this number is an odd number. So we need to make the mathematical expression that to calculate the remainder of number divided by 2. We use this percentage sign to represent the remainder calculation function. So in Python, this percentage sign represents remainder function. It means you divided by number, you divide the number by 2, and the result is the remainder. So we convert the number from the character type of variable into integer type of variable and divide by 2. We calculate, we get the remainder of this mathematical expression and compare that with 0. If the remainder is 0, okay, this is an even number. If the remainder is not 0, it is an odd number. Great! Thank you for listening, and we are going to see each other in the lab session and practice more with more complex conditional structures.